Alright, now my babies are 4 weeks old and acting like they grown. They flapping, jumping at the toe, talking loud and try to boss me around. I said, I bet. Pack it up. Y'all moving outside. Now mind you, I already got 3 grown chickens in the coop. They been here. They got seniority. But these babies, they came out strutting like, who coop this is? Went straight to the water bowl saying, this mine. It's hot outside. 90s during the day, 70s at night. Perfect for a little transition. I ain't throwing them straight in the deep end though. They gonna be outside during the day. But when that sun set, back inside like preschoolers. But baby, the way that these big hens eyed them, I'm praying for peace in this coop. This ain't chicken of love. They better act right before one of these auntie hens show them what peck order really means. Touched dirt once and forgot where they came from.